Hey everyone, Oscar here, your favorite recreation coordinator for the City of San Bernardino Parks Recreation and Community Services Department. We're going to go inside our Earth Day activity box and grab one of the crafts that's inside. Let's see what today's craft is. Looks like we're going to be making a catapult. So you'll notice that inside your craft kit, you'll see some rubber bands, 10 regular sized craft sticks, one jumbo craft stick, and a plastic spoon. In order to start this craft, we're going to grab our regular craft sticks. We're going to bundle them up and line them up so they're all straight. Just like this. Make sure they're nice and straight. Then we're going to grab one of the rubber bands and we're going to slowly start putting the rubber band on one of the edges. With our jumbo craft stick, we're going to grab it and we're going to put it on the end of either the top or the bottom. It doesn't matter. Once we establish where we're going to put it, the jumbo craft stick is going to become the bottom. So we're just going to open it up like this and then stick the jumbo craft stick right in the middle and then close it back up and line it up. You'll notice that it's gonna have a little gap right there. That's okay, that's what we want. We're just gonna kind of squeeze this like this, and we're gonna grab another rubber band and slowly start closing that gap. Now, we're gonna grab our plastic spoon. We're gonna do the exact same thing, but we're gonna grab the jumbo stick, kind of push it in so that the bottom comes out a little bit, and we're gonna line it up like this so the bottoms meet, and then we're gonna grab a rubber band and do the exact same thing. And this should create a sort of catapult. And then we're gonna grab just any household regular item that we have around the house. I happen to have a marshmallow, so I'm gonna grab a marshmallow, put it on the end of this spoon, push it back, and then let go. And there is our catapult. If you want to make it have more power, just scoot up the 10 craft sticks closer to the end of the spoon. You'll see that the spoon lifted up a little bit more, and that's gonna make it have a little bit more power. Have fun with your craft, my friends. Make sure you guys share your pictures with us. We'll see you guys in the next video.